Look guys, I'm so excited. So I'm going to unbox this for you today. I just received this and I'm gonna set it up. But I have to show you, it's a mug press. Look at the mugs. And I got mugs from Cricut. It's amazing. Let me show you all sides of the box. This is for Infusible ink. Here's the other side. It's awesome. Can't wait to use it. Mugs made easy. This is gonna be amazing. Okay, let's open it up. Look, it's very well packed. Look at this, like it really is nice. What's in the Open Me? Just pull this up. Let's get started. Activate your product. Go to Cricut.com/setup. Awesome. Place mug on a heat-resistant surface. Okay, who's excited? Awesome. What else is in the box? Power cord. And USB cord. It's USB cord so you can register it, because you have to register it before using it. And you cannot register it with an iPad or a phone or tablet. You have to use a computer to register it. So if you don't have a computer, you can maybe bring it to someone's house who has a computer, sign into your Design Space account, and then register it. And then you'll be good. And then you can use your phone or tablet to make the designs to use on this. And you can use the pens. So cute. I love these. You can even use the Infusible ink markers and pens and draw yourself. Have your children draw, your grandchildren, and then you can put their art on the mugs. How neat of a gift would that be? Okay, let's open this up. This is so cool. There's only one button. That's all you need. I'm not sure what this does yet. Oh, look at that. So you lift this up and that moves this. So you can tighten it onto the mug. Very cool. This is awesome. Let's look at the plugins. So this is where you plug in the power and where you register it. All right, let's go ahead and plug it in. Ooh, it has a light. It's plugged in. That means it's warming up. So I'm gonna plug in, you plug in this little micro USB into the machine, and it goes, this side is the top. This is the bottom, if you can see that. That is the top. You can see the shape of it on there. Let's just look at these mugs. You can get 2 mugs in a box, and then they're gonna have other bundles where you get more mugs, and the cost is amazing. I was really surprised on how low the price was for these mugs. I'm just breaking in here to let you know, tonight March 4th, 2021, we will be doing a live demonstration and I will show you all of the other mugs. I have them all now. So excited. And there's gonna be more information in the description. But here's the mugs. They're in. And these would be nice if you want to sell the mugs. You could put them back into this box and wrap them up. Let's look at these. And this mug press only works with mugs that are flat, not concave. And they have to be able to be sublimated on, like Infusible ink. There's the bottom of the mug. Dishwasher and microwavable safe, it says. So if you sell these or give these as gifts, it's already on the bottom that they can use these in the dishwasher and microwave after you put the design on them. They're completely safe. It does not come off. And these are 12-ounce mugs. They also are coming out with 15-ounce mugs. They'll have this size and a bigger size. And I want to show you these. They say ideal for mug press, for the Cricut Mug Press. You can also use the big Infusible ink boxes, but these will fit. And there's mug wrap images in Design Space. Here's another one. These are not new colors. They're just coming out with more in this size, these are great for the Cricut Joy. All right, now let's set this up in Design Space. Okay, so we're gonna click up on these 3 little lines here, and we're gonna go to New Machine Setup. I have to go in here, and then I see it right here. It'll say Cricut Mug Press. And you'll want to do this on a heat-resistant mat in a well-ventilated area. Plug it into the wall outlet. In case you didn't know how, it shows you how right there. And then you'll see the orange light lighting up. Okay, and I'm getting this option that Design Space would like to control this computer using accessibility features. So I'm gonna open that up and grant access. So I'm just gonna click this right here. Gotta unlock that. Now this is on a Mac, so Windows may be different. So we're good to go there. So I'm gonna hit continue. I'm gonna connect it. We did that. And we hear a sound. We are good. It is automatically updating. Now it just turned itself off. And I'm gonna click get started. So it just takes us to Design Space so we can get started. Look at this awesome mug. So my next video, we are going to do this mug. I show you how I made it. This image for the mug is in Design Space. And I'll show you how I did it with the 2 colors. It's so much fun. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll put the link to the next video in the description. Cheers! I'm addicted.